My Granny by Latoya Wakefield. My granny teach me hanging clothes pan line of a technique. Hang them pan the wrong side all nice and neat. And when you wash them, it will make a script nice. If that not happen, you nah wash them right. My granny teach me to cook from my soul. Pinch of this, dash of that, based on the inner vibes. Make 5-star meal out of sauce or rice. And every time I cook, it must taste nice. Till I lick all 10 finger. And cook just enough in case somebody come for dinner. My granny teach me to dance. To me she move like the queen of dancehall. In her young days she used to mash up Augustown. And to me she passed on the crown. She show me the butterfly and how to move my waistline. And if in her old age music a play, she dance like she never even age. My granny teach me so much things, like how to not be broken by anything. She teach me to laugh through pain and dance in the rain. Me know say my mother stays so because of she. Be a strong women in my family. Big up for all our granny.